Whether we like it or not, we can get suddenly invited to dinners or events that very same day. Let's say you're coming from the office and you have to go straight to the event. Yes, we can do it as long as we have these basic things to keep in mind. Make sure that you have the following in your tote bag: cleansing solution and cotton, foundation and your favorite blusher, eyeshadow palette and brushes, blusher brush, eyebrow pencils or eyeliners, mascara, favorite lipstick, and if you want some gloss, bring a few hair accessories in case you can't decide what to do with your hair. This and this, Bobbie pins, and a couple of safety pins in case you have any wardrobe malfunctions, bracelet, earrings, don't forget perfume, one pair of Glamorous shoes, and your change of clothes. First, I'm going to tie my hair up. Foundation. This one, highlight. Let's use brown. Now your blush, just so you have some color. I'm going to just finish the top a little bit, just a little. Eyeliner. Make sure you have good lighting when you're putting makeup so you can see. Mascara. I think we are good. Before we put on the last of the accessories, we want to dress up. I'll be right back. And magic, look at that. And remember, we were going to bring a onesie. Here it is. And of course, if you want to keep your hair down, by all means, keep it down, especially if you have lovely hair. Your hair is your crowning glory. I hope you liked this quick tutorial, transforming you from a day look to an evening look. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.